In this video, I'll show you how to download older versions of Filmora right from this intro dashboard of Filmora. Now, this is Filmora 15 and it's a recent release from Filmora. Let's assume you wanted to try Filmora 14 or 13 or 12. Now, I'll click on Help right here and click on Old Version. And once I do that, it's going to bring me to the Revert to Previous Versions of Filmora page. Now, you're also going to get this. Have you tried Filmora 15? Because it's new. But let's say you still want an older version. You'll be able to see up to the last time this was updated. And you can see what in Filmora more or less 14 was available: Smart Scene Cut, multi-camera editing, AI sound effect, AI video enhancer. You can scroll down. Filmora 13 as of July 2024, Filmora 12 as of September 2023, Filmora 11, and more or less that seems to be like the latest or the oldest version in this particular download page, and I'm going to leave it in the description below. So if you want to download, let's say Filmora 12, you're just going to click on this and it's going to start downloading. Right there, it's going to download a small installation file, and then you're going to install the rest of the files as required. And that is how you can download an older version of Filmora from more or less the welcome dashboard. It takes you straight to that link that you want, and then you can do all the installation that you want. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.